Hi, this is Chris from Easyship, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your shipments in the Easyship app. I'm going to cover search and how to find your shipments and also filter based on different variables. I'll show you how to print your shipping labels and documents, preparing for collection by the courier. And I'll also show you how to fix rejected labels when the courier finds issues with the addresses, etc. So let's get to it. Hi, this is Chris from Easyship. And today I'm going to show you how to manage shipments in the Easyship app. You can find Manage Shipments on the left navigation bar. The difference between Manage Shipments and Create Shipments is that you use Create Shipments before you purchase a shipping label. Once you've purchased your shipping label, everything else is done through Manage Shipments. The first thing that I want to show you in Manage Shipments is how to find a shipment. You can search using a keyword such as an easy ID, a recipient name, or a tracking number. However, I'm going to jump into the advanced filters by clicking on Filters. On the right, you can see all the fields that you can filter shipments by. Common use cases may be if you want to filter by pickup to arrange preparation of shipments, or filtering by couriers, or filtering by shipment status. To filter a shipment, all you need to do is make your selection, like so, and click Search. And it's now filtered my shipments. To undo a filter, simply click on Filter again, and click Reset. The next thing I want to show you is how to prepare your shipping documents for shipping. When you've purchased a shipment, unfortunately, you'll still need to have some paperwork. However, we generate all of the documentation that you need for you. So all you need to do is select the shipments that you want to print, like so, and click on Docs. This will generate the documents for the shipments you just selected. As you can see here, there are two files. If you wish to configure the paper type for your printer, you can do this by going to Settings and Printing Options. This is covered in another video. All you need to do after this is print out those documents with your printer and affix them to your shipments, and then hand them over to the courier, whether that's a drop-off or a pickup. The final thing that I would like to show you is how to fix a rejected label. From time to time, couriers will reject a shipment because some information is not correct. You can fix these details in Easyship though and try again. To do this, you'll find the rejected shipment and click Edit Shipment. Here you can see the error messages provided by the courier, and hopefully they'll provide you some details on how to fix it. So I'm going to follow this suggestion and update the zip code. Once I've updated these details, I click Update. Now the shipping docs have been generated. And that's it. Now that I've shown you how Manage Shipments works, you have everything you need to make your first shipments. If there's anything that wasn't clear or you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer service team. We also have other instructional videos in our Helpcenter and on our YouTube channel. I recommend you check those out also. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.